We were somewhere in outback Queensland when a morning of unusually high winds decided to catch our awning and completely demolish it. To continue with our travels, we had to fight with the awning, close it back up and strap it down for the rest of our outback trip. It was not the most ideal part of Australia to be camping without shade, let me tell you. A quick chat with a caravan repair mob in Townsville had us feeling confident that a replacement would be available for us once we got back to the coast. All we had to do was measure our existing awning and let them know which size we needed. It sounded like an easy enough task, but up until that moment, I had no idea how to measure a caravan awning correctly. Where exactly do you take the measurements from? The ends of the canvas, the outside of the awning arms, the inside of the awning arms, the length of the caravan, or an entirely different point? There is a very specific measurement that is required when measuring the caravan awning, and it's probably not the one you think. Getting the wrong figure will result in a completely different awning from the one you actually need. Here's how to correctly measure your caravan awning size. 1. Mark the exact middle of the front awning arm. 2. Mark the exact middle of the rear awning arm. 3. Measure the distance between those two marked points, from the middle of the front awning arm to the middle of the rear awning arm. 4. Convert your measurement from millimeters to feet, as closely as possible. For example, if your caravan awning measurement is 2,133 millimeters, open an internet search browser and type in, convert 2,133 millimeters to feet. This converts to 6.99 foot, which rounds up to 7, meaning that in this case, the caravan awning size is 7 foot. This is the measurement that you will need if you're ordering a new awning. These are some of the common incorrect caravan awning measurements: length of the awning barrel, length of the vinyl, length of the caravan, and from the inside or outside of the awning arms. Remember, the correct way to measure a caravan awning is to measure from the middle of the front awning arm to the middle of the rear awning arm. When ordering a new one, you'll also need to know the brand of the existing awning on your caravan, so that it can be replaced with an exact match. You should be able to find the brand name printed somewhere on the awning hardware, such as the end caps or metal arms. For more caravanning tips, head to myrigadventures.com.